Hello, good morning, my dear students. Hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Once again, I welcome you all in online class. Now, students, tell me, in last session we have completed lesson number 1, that is living and non-living things. I hope you all have understood the chapter very well, and yes, your question and answer is on your school website, that is www.lfsraptinagar.ac.in. So please go through it and note it down in any copy. Okay, and time to time please learn it also. Okay, so now we are going to start a new chapter today, that is human body. Lesson number 2, human body. As you can see here, lesson 2, human body. And you know, this is very interesting chapter, okay? Because it is about our body, okay? So before going on the topic, first I would like to show you one thing, okay? Can you see? Okay. Now tell me, student, what is this? What is this? Yes, this is a house. And you can see the house is made up of small bricks. Yes, a group of bricks. Okay. So a house is made up of bricks. But not only bricks, it is made up of bricks, cement, sand, water, iron rods, many more things. Okay. But mainly the unit of the house, smallest unit of the house is brick. Okay, many bricks join together and form a house. Same way, in our body, small cells are there. Okay, and that small cells joins together and form the tissue. Okay, and many tissues join together and form the organ. Okay, and many organs join together and forms the organ system. Many organ system forms together, comes together, okay, and form the organism, that is our human body. Let's see here. One cell, okay, suppose this is a one cell, okay, and I'll show you that how the group of cells joins together and form the tissue. Okay, this is a one cell, and you can see the group of cells. The group of cells join together to form the tissue. Okay, this is cell. Okay, and these group of cells join together to make the tissues. Okay, and group of tissue is known as organ. Okay, and group of organ is found organ system. And many group organ system joins together and forms the organism, that is the human body. Okay, so our body is formed with a small cell. Okay, what is cell? Okay, what is cell? Let me clarify. Okay, cell is a smallest unit of our body, and it is not the smallest unit only, it is the smallest structural and functional unit of our life. Okay, what is cell? Cell is the smallest, okay, is smallest structural and functional unit of our life. Clear? So cell is a cell. What is cell? A cell is the smallest structural functional unit of our life. Yes, it is a structural and functional because all the cells are live, okay, and they perform different tasks, okay, different work. Now let's have a look here. Group of cells make tissues. Group of tissues joins together and form the organs, and group of organs joins together and form the organ system, and organ system form the organisms. Okay, now tell me students, here you can see the how the human body form. Now let me ask one more question. Okay, uh, cell is clear. Now tell me, our human body divided into how many parts? Our human body is divided into how many parts? Can you answer? Okay, let me show you. Our human body is divided into two major parts. Okay, our human body is divided into two major parts. First one is external organ, and the second one is internal organs. Okay, you can see here. Okay, our human body is divided into two parts, external organ and internal organs. This you have already studied in previous class, okay, in class 2 in EVS. Okay, what are external organs? External organs, the organs which we can see, okay, and which is outer side of our body, that is eyes, nose, ears, head, hand, legs. Okay, these are the external organs which we can see and which is moving and we are using. Okay, so the external organ is present outer side of the body and they are working, okay, different tasks they are performing. Now let's comes to internal organs. Okay, internal organs which is present inside our body, okay, which is present inside our body. Example, inside our body, example you can say, yeah, brain. Okay, brain is not outside of the head, okay, brain is inside the head. So inside our body, that is internal organ. And in this lesson, first we will study the about the internal organs only. Okay, now so first internal organ, brain. Second internal organs, heart. Third internal organs, lungs, then stomach, then your kidney, intestine, etc. So these things are present inside our body, okay, not outside of our body. Okay, that is why it is called as internal organs. Okay, so here first we will start from the internal organs. Let's see, in your book here it is given 5 internal organs. Okay, I'll tell you later. Okay, before going on that, first we will see that already we have studied just now that cells, group of cells forms the tissue, and group of tissue forms the organ, and group of organ forms the organ system. Then only group organ systems form the organisms, that is human body. Okay, so here organ systems, before going on organ, I'll tell you how many organ systems are there in our body. Yes, there are 8 organ systems in our body. Total, there are 8 organ systems in our body. 8. The first one is nervous system. Okay, the first one is nervous system. And the second one is, yes, circulatory system. Circulatory system. The third one is, yes, can you guess? Yes, respiratory system. Respiratory system. Fourth one is, yes, of course, digestive system. Digestive system. And the fifth one is excretory system. And the sixth one is, yes, reproductive system. Reproductive system. The seventh one is, yes, skeletal system. And the eighth one is muscular system. So here we have studied 8 organ system which is found in our body. Okay, the first one is nervous system. Here before going on nervous system, the first one is, we can say that skeletal system, because this is very important. Okay, skeletal system and muscular system, first these two are there, then we start after that nervous system. Okay, so skeletal system, what is a skeletal system? First I will show you the seventh one. Okay, the skeletal system is a framework of bone. Okay, framework of bone, and that help us to stand. Okay, it gives shape and support to our body. Then muscular system. What is muscular system? Muscular system, that is found on skeletal system. Okay, and muscles helps in the movement of the body. Now comes to the nervous system. Nervous system is comprises of brain. Okay, and here we can say detail, it's not given in your book. Okay, but I am telling to you these names because it is also just to remind you in class 3. Okay, that these words should be in your mind, but you will study these things in higher classes. Okay, next classes in detail one by one. So first is nervous system. 8 systems are there in our body, and they all work different tasks. They perform all different tasks. Okay, because take the example in your house only. Okay, your mother work is different, your father work is different, your work is different. Your mother cooks the food, okay, and your father go to the office to earn money, and your work is to study and get a good marks. Okay, so like that only in our body 8 systems are there, and that 8 systems are connected with each other very nicely, and they perform different tasks. Brain work is different. Okay, nervous system is working another task. Okay, digestive system is working another task. Okay, but they are not mixing their work, they cannot exchange their work. Okay, so their work and their functions is different. Okay, whatever task they have already they are doing, okay, that is different. Now here we are going to study about organs. Okay, organs. First of all, we are going to study about the brain. How many internal organs? I told you 6 are there, but in your book 5 it is given. Okay, but sixth one is lungs. That I'll tell you in the next class. Okay, with a new topic. Okay, in that we will study about that. Okay, lungs. So here we are going now to study about organs. What are organs? Just now I explained to you. What are organs? Yes, organs are the group of tissues. Same types of tissues joins together to form the organs. Okay, and that organ joins together to form the 8 organ systems, and these 8 organ systems join together to form the organisms. Okay, let's start. The first organ is brain. Okay, so brain. What is brain? I will show you. This is a brain. Okay, can you see the picture of brain? Yeah. Okay, this is a brain, and this is the main part of nervous system. The main organ of nervous system is brain, and its function is to think, to feel, and to remember. Yeah, tell me students, when you are going in your exam, okay, and you write your answers very nicely because you have remembered your answers. So in remembering your answers, who is helping you? Yes, your brain is helping you. Okay, and to think, suppose any topic is given to you, okay, or you are thinking anything, okay, so that thinking, who is helping you to think? Yes, your brain. So in the computer system you have studied, or I think in the computer system the brain of the computer is CPU. Yes, CPU is the brain of the computer. Like that only in our body, this is our brain, and the brain is the CPU of our system. Okay, you can say that. So this brain help us to feel, to remember, and to think. Okay, next organ is heart. Yes, the next organ is heart, and the heart is the main organ of circulatory system. The heart is the main organ of circulatory system. Can you see the picture? Yeah. Okay. Clear? Circulatory system, the main organ is heart. Okay. And in our body, you know, after CPU, or you can say after brain, this is the most important part or organ of our body, that is heart. And this heart work is to pump the blood. What it's do? It takes all the impure blood from our body and gives to the lungs to purify. Okay, and after purification, or you can say the oxygenated blood, it takes and then it gives to all parts of our body, and in this blood helps to pump. Okay, and in blood what it is present? Blood carries the oxygen and nutrients. Okay, nutrients. Clear? Then here next organ is stomach. Next organ is stomach. As you know that we are eating and the food is going into the stomach, you can see. So the digestive part, okay, digestive system, the main part of the digestive system, or you can say the main organ of the digestive system is stomach. Our stomach, you can see the picture. Okay, and what is the function of the stomach? Yes, the stomach carry the foods, or it helps in digestion first. Okay, and it hold the food into the stomach. When we eat the food, it we swallow the food, and with the through the food pipe it goes into the stomach, and there it holds the food and churn it into small pieces. Churn it means it break the food particles into small pieces, then it pass through the small intestine. And yes, the main thing I would like to tell you that this heart and stomach is made up of muscles. Okay, these are made up of muscles. Clear? Then next organ is intestine. Next organ is intestine. Yes, my dear students, after the stomach, the intestine is there. And there are two types of intestine. Intestine include small intestine as well as large intestine. Okay, and it also includes the rectum. Now you can see the picture of the intestine. Can you see? Okay, see, this is also the organ of digestive system. Okay, first organ of digestive system is stomach, and the second one is intestine. Okay, so intestine, you can see the large intestine is also there, and the small intestine is also there. Okay, and rectum is there, and anus is there. Okay, so what is the main function of intestine? Yes, the main function of intestine is to absorb the water and nutrients from the food we eat, whatever food we have eaten. Okay, from that water and all good nutrients it will absorb. Who will absorb? The intestine will absorb. Okay, and then the undigested food will pass to the rectum, and from the rectum it will go to the anus, and through the anus it will remove from our body. Okay, so next and the last organ is kidney. Okay, so kidney, what is kidney? Yeah, kidney is an organ. Okay, and in our human body there are two kidneys, that means one pair of kidney found. Okay, you can see the kidney picture. Can you see kidney? Two kidneys are there. Okay, you can see two kidneys are there, that is in bean shape like. Okay, and what is the function of this kidney? What is the function of the kidney? Yes, it filter the blood. Okay, it filter the blood and remove the waste products from our body in the form of urine. Okay, simple. The kidney's function is to filter the blood. It filters the blood which is present in our body, and after filtration whatever the waste product is there which is useless in our body, okay, that is toxic also, so it will remove in the form of urine. Okay, then so here we have completed 5 organ system organ. Okay, not organ system. Okay, 8 organ system name you have to learn it. Okay, and here 5 organs we have studied in detail. First was brain, the second was heart, then third stomach, fourth intestine, and the fifth one is kidney. Once again, one by one you can see brain, okay, then heart. Clear? After heart you can see, then stomach, okay, then intestine, then kidney. Yes, so my dear students, in this session what we have studied? We have studied a new chapter, that is human body and human body. How it is made up of? It is made up of cell. Okay, what is cell? A cell is the smallest structural and functional unit of our life. Group of cells join together and form the tissue, and group of tissue join together and form the organ, and group of organs join together and form the organ system. There are 8 organ system: nervous system, circulatory system, respiratory system, digestive system, excretory system, reproductive system, skeletal system, and muscular system. Okay, these are about the system. And what we have studied just now, the 5 organs. Okay, internal organs. The first one was brain, heart, stomach, intestine, and kidney. Yes, so in this session this much is enough. Now next session we will study a new topic of this lesson. Okay, please don't forget to revise these topics. Okay, and learn this organ system's name. Okay, this is your homework to learn all the organ systems name. Okay, and please write down the question answer of lesson number 1 with the help of your school website, please. Okay, thank you.